Hello kids, welcome to my channel Fun with Nava. Pulses and grains name in English. Pulses name kidney beans, green gram, lima beans, soya beans, black gram, black chickpeas, split red lentils, red lentil, horse gram, chickpeas, split green gram, split black gram, dried peas, black eyed beans, lupin beans, mort dal, cereals name in English, oats, wheat, rice, corn, rye, millet, sorghum, ragi, buckwheat, barley. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.